As an Australian brand, Ingrain is passionate about curating in-house, locally designed vanities and shaving cabinets that seamlessly blend modern flair with timeless elegance. This means every product not only boasts great quality, but also brings stunning aesthetics to your home. Today, I'm excited to introduce the 400mm Ingrain round fluted powder room vanity. This vanity is an eye-catching addition to any powder room or small bathroom. With its unique round pedestal design and fluted timber finish, it creates an impressive, stylish impact while remaining practical and functional. The fluted texture is crafted from ash-stained timber and continues with a matching melamine interior. Inside, you'll find a single soft-closing door and an internal shelf, perfect for storage. To make the most of this space, I'd recommend a Space Saver plumbing kit. The top is made from pure white 12mm sintered stone, giving it a sleek, modern finish. Keep in mind the basin is sold separately, so you can choose one from our range of small above-counter basins to suit your style. The basin we have featured here today is the Bauer Classic above-counter basin. With its compact 310mm diameter, it makes for the perfect pairing with this vanity. This model comes with a zero tap hole, perfect for wall-mounted tapware. If you're installing it tightly against the wall, we recommend using a wall spout with a length of 180 or 210mm, or you could pair it with a freestanding spout for a different look. Because this vanity is made from natural timber, slight variations to finish colour can occur, adding a unique touch to your space. Dive into the world of Ingrain exclusively at the Blue Space, where design meets unmatched quality. Contact us today to bring the timeless beauty of this vanity into your space.